On 6th of September, ceremonial distribution of Scooty under Sakhi Express was organized by Assam State Rural Livelihood Mission, Karbi Anglong, under Department of Panchayat and Rural Development, Government of Assam at Diphu Club. On the ceremonial distribution of Scooty, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, Honorable CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, had attended as chief guest of the event. Horen Singh Bay MP, Rup Singh Teron MLA, Richard Togbi EM, Ritesh Inghi EM, Madhuram Lekthe EM, Mukut Mahanta EM, Debakar Nath, Deputy Commissioner Karbi Anglong, MSCs and all several other important dignitaries attended as guests of the ceremonial distribution of Scooty event. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, while addressing the public, informed that the state and the central government are committed to uplift and empower women from every aspect. To promote self-reliance, the government had furnished financial aid as well as introduced various schemes to all the registered self-help groups. To ensure suitable and easy mobilization, over 200 free Scooty were distributed to the women workers under the able leadership of Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It is notable that Karbi Anglong has 7 developmental blocks in total, and through this mission, 200 individuals would be benefited from across the district. 23 individuals from Harughat Development Block, 33 from Langsomepi Development Block, 43 from Lumbajong Development Block, 21 from Nilip Development Block, 26 from Rongbongwe Development Block, and 21 from Samilangso Development Block. The formal ceremonial distribution was done by Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and 3 Scooty were distributed initially.
পৃথিবীৰ জনপ্ৰিয় প্ৰধানমন্ত্ৰী নৰেন্দ্ৰ মোদী ডাঙৰীয়াৰ আঁচনি যাতে মহিলাবিলাকৰ আগুৱাই নিয়া স্বাৰ্থত প্ৰত্যেক আত্মসহায়ক গোটবিলাকৰ যাতে বিনামূলীয়া চৰকাৰৰ পৰা যাতে তেওঁলোকৰ ৱৰ্কিং কেপিটেল পুঁজি যাতে তেওঁলোকে পায় নিজৰ ভৰি নিজে থিয় হ'ব পাৰে মহিলাবিলাকে সেইবিলাকৰ আঁচনি পূৰণ কৰাৰ স্বাৰ্থত আৰু লগতে ডক্টৰ হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মা ডাঙৰীয়াৰ নেতৃত্বত সেইবিলাকৰ আঁচনি আজি বিতৰণ কৰিবলৈ
News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live.